Synergy Grid stood strong and was able to close with a green candle. Close at its 52-week high, itong 39.85. And kung wala kang position on this stock, you need to be extra cautious if you plan to enter or buy this stock, as holders of the stock may already reach their exit positions or malapit na sila sa mga target prices nila by this time. For the trade idea, itong last candle ni Synergy Grid can be used as a breakout entry kasi nagkaroon na siya ng pause dito sa recent red candle. So, enter the breakout dito. Then, set your stop loss. For me, yung stop loss would be the low of the box. Itong ginawa natin box, itong baba niya. Itong low ng box natin, ito yung recent breakout level niya dito. Ayan, malapit sa recent breakout level niya recently. If bumalik yung price level ni Synergy Grid up to this low level nung box natin, we could consider that Synergy Grid stock have already ended its current run. But for those who already have a position with Synergy Grid or SGP, you may consider using the 20-day moving average to follow trend stocks para mas ma-maximize mo yung potential run niya. So let us see how far SGP would go from this price level.